On your smartphone, tap on the title of this video and the description will appear. Tapping on Show Transcript will bring up the transcript screen. Here, set the transcript to English and the video subtitles to your preferred language. Or vice versa. And enjoy learning everyday English conversation by watching and repeating each sentence as many times as you like by tapping on each transcript.
Can I have a medium-sized cappuccino, please? Can I have a medium-sized cappuccino, please?
On your computer, add the Language Reactor Chrome extension and set the translation language to your native language in the settings. You can then watch the video with subtitles in both English and your native language, looping sentence by sentence using the S&D hotkeys.
Can I have a medium-sized cappuccino, please? Can I have a medium-sized cappuccino, please?
Let's get started.
Every step of your airplane trip. Obtain a passport. Before you leave your country of origin, you need to have a valid passport. This is a document that proves your identity and citizenship and allows you to travel internationally. If you don't have a passport, you can apply for one at your local government office. Obtain a visa. Visa requirements depend on the country you're traveling to and your country of origin. In general, a visa is a document that allows you to enter a foreign country and stay for a certain period of time. Book a flight. Once you have your passport, you can book a flight to your destination country. You can do this online or through a travel agent. When you book your flight, make sure you have all the necessary information such as your passport number, travel dates, and destination. Arrival at the airport. Arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your flight is scheduled to depart. This will give you enough time to check in, go through security, and board your flight. Check in. When you arrive at the airport, head to the check-in counter for your airline. Here, you will be asked to present your passport and your flight information. The airline representative will check you in, and you'll be given your boarding pass. Security screening. After check-in, you'll need to go through security screening. This involves passing through a metal detector and having your bags scanned. You may also be subject to a pat-down search. Boarding the plane. Once you have cleared security, you can proceed to the gate for your flight. The gate attendant will check your boarding pass and passport before allowing you to board the plane. Arrival in destination country. Upon arrival at your destination airport, you will need to go through customs and immigration. You'll be required to present your passport and fill out any necessary forms. After clearing customs, you'll be able to collect your luggage and proceed to the exit.
How the visa process typically works. Determine if you need a visa. Check with the embassy or consulate of the country you're traveling to see if you need a visa. Some countries allow citizens of certain countries to enter without a visa for a certain period of time, while others require all visitors to have a visa. Apply for a visa. If you need a visa, you'll need to apply for one. You can usually do this online or by visiting the embassy or consulate of the country you're traveling to. The application process typically involves filling out a form, paying a fee, and providing supporting documents such as a passport, travel itinerary, and proof of financial support. Wait for the visa to be processed. After you submit your visa application, you'll need to wait for it to be processed. Processing times can vary, so check with the embassy or consulate for an estimated timeline. Receive your visa. Once your visa is approved, you'll receive it either by mail or in person at the embassy or consulate.
Processes step by step after arrival in destination country. Pass through passport control. Upon arrival, you'll need to present your passport and visa, if required, to an immigration official. The official will check your documents and ask you a few questions about the purpose of your trip and how long you'll be staying. Fill out an arrival card. you may be asked to fill out an arrival card that provides information about your trip and your stay in the country. Make sure you fill it out completely and accurately. Have your luggage scanned. Depending on the country you're visiting, you may need to have your luggage scanned. This is to ensure that you're not bringing any prohibited items into the country. Clear customs. After passport control and luggage scanning, you'll need to clear customs. You may be asked to declare any items you're bringing into the country, such as gifts, food, or electronics. Be sure to declare anything that is subject to duties or taxes. Collect your luggage. Once you've cleared customs, you'll be able to collect your luggage and proceed to the exit of the airport. Meet your driver or proceed to ground transportation. If you have arranged for a driver to meet you at the airport, look for a sign with your name on it. If not, proceed to the ground transportation area to catch a taxi, rental car, or other means of transportation. Proceed to your accommodation. Finally, make your way to your hotel or other accommodation. If you have pre-booked a room, you can check in and get settled in. If not, you may need to find a place to stay.